China is most looking forward to the 93rd Military Parade in 2025. In previous years, it was held on National Day, but this time is different. September 3rd will be the military parade commemorating China's 80th victory. Japan surrendered on August 15, 1945, but signed on September 2nd. September 3rd has become our country's legal Victory Day. In 2015, the military parade of the 70th victory was held for the first time. This year, the second military parade of the 80th victory will be held. This parade salutes the war history of the Chinese nation. The parades of the United States and Russia were poor, much less than China's. There was enthusiasm among the Russian soldiers, but there were no new weapons. Our parades are always full of enthusiasm. September 3rd is approaching. What new will be shown? Let's see what weapons will be on display. First, about the Army. The 99A main battle tank, our first digital main battle tank with a 125mm cannon and advanced fire control, more than 95% hit rate, 1500 horsepower engine, speed of 75 kilometers per hour. Data link supports multi-vehicle cooperation. Laser-guided missiles can hit up to 5 kilometers, increasing the long-range capability of the 99A. PHL-191 long-range rocket launcher, less than 1 meter air up to 300 kilometers. Red Ship 12 anti-tank missile is automatic. The shooter only fires when aiming. The missile itself tracks the target. Its main point is infrared imaging guidance technology, which can accurately target the tank even if the target moves or interferes. The Army's new drones and helicopters are particularly important for reconnaissance and intelligence. 5 to 10, 519 high-low combination, 20 air transport, 21 can bring new achievements in air combat. The main weapon of the Navy is the YJ-21 missile with a speed of 10 Mach and can compete with large ships. The J-35 stealth aircraft can attack the air, sea, and land through modern routes. 600 AWACS aircraft, along with stealth drones, enhance maritime reconnaissance and attack capabilities. Among the main aviation equipment, the Y-20 large transport aircraft, with a maximum takeoff weight of about 220 tons, a maximum load of more than 66 tons, can carry tanks, armored vehicles, and other large equipment, and can also transport heavy loading and composite ridges. It is an important capability of our country's strategy. In terms of drones, the Assault 2, Assault 11, and Liaoji formations can also be seen, which can carry out reconnaissance, covert entry, and joint combat missions. The Dongfeng missiles of the Rocket Force, equipped with DF-17 hypersonic gliding, have strong entry capability. The Shichi hypersonic cruise missile shows our modern achievements in this field. The DF-26 is capable of both nuclear and conventional, while the DF-27 has long range and strong penetration. The DF-41 and DF-51 can carry global range and multiple nuclear warheads. The improved version of the DF-51 can accelerate to Mach 30, reducing enemy reaction and strengthening penetration. The upgraded versions of the Dongfeng 5 series, the Dongfeng 5B and 5C, can carry multiple nuclear warheads, hit multiple targets, and strengthen our country's nuclear power. Finally, new domain warfare equipment. Unmanned intelligent equipment, such as the Robot Wolf ground cluster, will show a new combat gameplay. They can conduct reconnaissance on the battlefield, conduct intelligent coordinated operations, improve combat efficiency, and reduce casualties. Intelligent mines, unmanned submarines, and even the 096 nuclear submarine model can demonstrate underwater combat capabilities on the display panel. Intelligent mines can autonomously identify targets and pose a threat to enemy ships. Unmanned submarines can conduct underwater reconnaissance, etc. The 096 nuclear submarine is an important part of our country's maritime nuclear power. It can not only carry out stealth attacks in the deep sea, but also carry unmanned submarines like deep sea detectors, etc., and can launch deadly attacks on enemy ships at any time. In terms of cyber attack and defense, the ground flanks and airborne electronic warfare platforms have demonstrated relevant combat capabilities, such as the J-6D electronic warfare aircraft, the J-15D carrier-based electronic warfare aircraft, the electromagnetic pulse bomb, the aviation carbon fiber bomb. These weapons can spy, jam, and suppress, and can fire anti-radiation missiles to destroy enemy equipment, radar, communication systems, and navigation equipment. In future wars, network and electronic space warfare will be extremely important. Honor Guard in China's military parade. The most beautiful regiment is called. Their training is ingrained in the bones. Each step is 75 centimeters, very precise. The front of the foot is like a straight line, as organized as if a person is walking. Like this is the result of thousands of exercises. On one mistake, the whole team starts over. Every step shows the country's dignity and military duty. Of course, these are just guesses about possible weapons. Perhaps some new equipment is even more amazing than our expectations. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep insights into China's military and technology.